Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an MCmeta file. This small but crucial file is essential for Minecraft resource packs and data packs to function correctly. It tells the game important information about your pack, like its format version and a brief description. Understanding its structure and creation is a fundamental step for any custom content creator. We will go through each step to ensure your file is perfect. The MCmeta file is essentially a JSON file, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It must contain a main object called pack. Inside this pack object, you need two key value pairs, pack format and description. The pack format is a number like 15 for newer versions, indicating compatibility. The description is a text string, often a short phrase, explaining what your pack does. This structure is vital for the game to read your pack. To create your MCmeta file, simply open any plain text editor such as Notepad or VS Code. Then copy and paste the basic JSON structure we just discussed into the new document. The most critical step is saving the file. You must name it pack MCmeta exactly, ensuring the file extension is MCmeta and not txt. This precise naming allows Minecraft to recognize and load your custom content properly. Once your pack MCmeta file is ready, place it directly into the root directory of your resource pack folder. This folder should also contain your assets folder, where all your textures and models reside. After organizing your files, launch Minecraft and navigate to the Resource Packs menu. Your newly created pack should now appear in the list, ready for activation. Select it to apply your custom changes and enjoy your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.